I'm Lakshya. Let's start with the compound angles of trigonometry. Here you have the first one. Show that cos 100 degrees cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees, which is equal to 1 by 2. Guys, they have given what? They have given cos 100 degrees cos 100 degrees into cos 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees, which is equal to 1 by 2. Means in this given question we must show that when LHS is equal to RHS. RHS here is what? RHS value is what? 1 by 2 is the RHS value. LHS value is this, means cos 100 degrees into cos 40 degrees. So this is the LHS value. We must show that LHS equal to RHS. Clear till here? Now, what do we do is, guys, we will be having a formula. We are having a formula. We are having a few compound angles, like few formulas according to it. Like here, you have what? A formula with cos A. Consider this as A. Okay. Consider this as B. Okay. 40 degrees as B. Now, where cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. We will be having a formula, guys. Just look out to the formula. By knowing the formulas, you can do, like, you can solve any sum. Here you have cos A minus B. Cos A minus B equal to, this is the given formula, guys. Cos A minus B equals to cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Sin A into sin B. Clear? So this is the given formula. So by this formula, we are going to solve the sum. Okay? Guys, here you have what? You have got cos A minus B equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Here you got minus, and that's why here you got plus. If, guys, if I say cos A plus cos B, okay, cos A plus B, then the formula here would be minus. Okay, if here it's plus, then here would be, okay, it will become negative. Okay, if here it is positive, then here it would become negative. If here it is negative, then here this will become positive. Clear? You can make a very benefit direction. So here you have cos A plus B, which is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay. If I say cos A minus B, means the formula would become cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Clear? Very good. Now you go with it. You go with the formula where this is in the form of, okay, where LHS is in the form of, LHS is in the form of cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. I have said just before. Now here gets cos A minus B. What you do? You just convert this into cos A minus B. Like cos A value is what? A value is what? 100 degrees. Okay. Cos A minus B value is what? 40 degrees. Clear? Where 100 minus 40, how much? 60 degrees, right? So I can write this as cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. Where cos 60 degrees value is what, guys? 1 by 2. Right? Cos 60 degrees value is what? 1 by 2. So therefore we have proved, right? We have proved this cos 100 into cos 40 degree, cos 100 degree into cos 40 degree plus sin 100 degree into cos sin 40 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? What to do? You just convert it, therefore. Hence proved or hence shown. Okay. Hence shown. Clear? Okay, good. Second one. Find the value of sin 75 degrees, guys. They have given what? They have given the value, like we must find the value of sin 75 degrees. So let's start with it. As here, just make a look over here. We'll be using the formula again, but coming back to here. Find the value of sin 75 degree, when sin 75 degree can be written as, like I can write the sin 75 degree as, just compare the angles. Okay, go with the nearest angles. Okay, so here you have sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees. So the nearest, like I can write this sin 75 degree as 45 degree plus 30 degrees. Right? Can I write like this, where 45 plus 30, how much? 75, right? So that's what I have written, where sin 45 degree plus 70, sin 45 degree plus 30 degrees. Okay? But this reminds me of a formula now. Okay? But this reminds me of a formula. We are having a formula. So the formula is sin A plus B formula, guys. What's the sin A plus B formula? Let me write down here, somewhere over here. Okay. Therefore, the formula is sin A plus B. A plus B equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Is it clear? This is the given formula, guys. Okay. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Now guys, we got the formula over here. Right, this is the given formula. So by using this formula, where here you can see sin 45 degree plus 30 degrees in the form of sin A plus B. Right. So that's what I can write this as sin A into cos B. Sin A value here what would be? Let me write down here. Wait a minute. Sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, very good. Now guys, here sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now sin A value means what? Sin A value is what? Sin 45 degree I can take. Okay, sin 45 degree into cos B. Cos B value is what? 30 degree. So cos 30 degree plus over here, like I have got a plus symbol over here. So plus cos A value what? 45 degrees. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degrees into, okay, into sin B, sin 30 degree. Clear? Hope you got it. Now guys, we know the values, right? We know the values for sin 45 degree value we know, cos 30 degree value we know. So just what you do is just substitute the, like, replace the formulas over there. Like we know the values, right? So sin 45 degree value is what? 1 by root 2, right? We know this. In our 10th class we have learned sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. And again cos 30 degree is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means into multiplication over here, okay? Into plus over here cos 45 degree value is what? 1 by root 2 again. 1 by root 2. And here you have sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is what, guys? Here you have multiplication. Sin 30 degree value is what? 1 by 2. Okay? These are the given values. Okay, so that's what we have got the values. Now what to do is just simplify the process. Okay? Simplification of the process. Where here you got what? Root 2 into 2. How much? 2 root 2. Just go with it. Here you have root 3 into 1. Root 3 ones are any number multiplied with 1. No, the answer, the sum is always the number itself. So here root 3 into 1, how much? Root 3. Next 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Right? 2 root 2. Plus over here, like I'm having a plus symbol over. Here I have a plus symbol, so that's what I have added a plus over there. So 1 into 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so this is the given one. 1 by 2 root 2. So if I go with it, this becomes root 3 plus 1. How much? If I can take 2 root 2 as common, right? Here I have 2 root 2, here I have 2 root 2. So what do I do? I will take 2 root 2 as common. Now root 3 plus 1 or 1 by root. So I can write this as this becomes what? 1 plus anything if you go with it. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 will be the answer is, okay? Where root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is the value for sin 75 degrees. Clear? Where sin 75 degree value is what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is the value for sin 75 degree. Clear? Till here? So therefore I can say, just make a point. Therefore hence showed that where sin 75 degree, write it out like sin 75 degree equal to sin 75 degree is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? Hope you got it. Just the only main thing, the important thing is like to learn the formulas. Okay, so the formulas plays a very important role. Here for the third one, find the value of cos 75 degrees. So cos 75 degree, they asked to find the value of cos 75 degree just as the second process, like second question we have done, right? We have found the sin 75 degrees in the second one. Now coming back to the third one, here the question what? The asked question or the given question is find the value of cos 75 degree. Well, cos 75 degree can be written as, let's write it out, like let's write the process over here, where cos 75 degree can be written as what? Cos 75 degree can be written as what? I can write this as 45 degree, right? 45 degree plus 30 degrees. 45 plus 30, how much? 75, right? So cos 75 degree can be written as cos 45 degree plus 30 degrees. Well guys, here coming back again, this reminds me of formula. We will be getting a formula according to it. So the formula is nothing but cos A plus B is equal to, okay, cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B is the formula for this given one. Clear? This is the given formula, guys. Okay, so by this formula we will be writing the given equation. Okay, so here you have where this cos 45 degree plus 30 degree is in the form of A cos A plus B. So what you do, you convert this into cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So cos A value is what? Cos 45 degree, right? Cos A cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree. Clear? Cos 30 degree minus sin 45 degree, sin A sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Okay, this is the given values that we got. Now guys, just go for the trigonometric values, trigonometric ratios. So it's cos 45 degree. What's the value for cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree value is what? 1 by root 2. Very good, very good. So like cos 45 degrees value is what? 1 by root 2. Clear? Now again here comes cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Clear? Now, wait a minute. Root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 degree value is what? 1 by root 2 again, we know. 1 by root 2. Clear? And sin 30 degree value is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So you made a minus. So everything is some kind of similar to the cos 75 degree, just the symbol. Okay, so the symbol here we got what? Minus. In sin 75 degree we got what? Plus. Okay, let it be. So just go for the next one. Just simplify this process from here. We know the simplification process. We'll go root 3 into 1, root 3. Root 3 by 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Sorry, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? So when here 2 root 2, 2 root 2, where the denominator is containing 2 root 2, 2 root 2 both over here 2 root 2. So then what you do, you take root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 will be the one. Take 2 root as common. So therefore the value for cos 75 degrees. So therefore cos 75 degrees equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 will be the value. Clear? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 will be the value for cos 75 degree. As guys, you can just, if you just remember it like here, when sin 75